What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Mark your attendance where you're watching from. It's a beautiful new week. Tell me, how have you spent your day today? Did you look at your charts? I am trading binary options and we are on gold OTC charts. So let us move the markets because why not? Let's move the market.
Ever since I got my first hit song, getting jealous.
This is my first attempt for tonight. Let's see how it goes.
But since I got famous, I know they might I couldn't care less. Cause I know they raising some kind things. The kind things when no concern me.
First entry already locked in, guys.
And I know they think
it's a lifestyle. Jeet, good to see ya. Ivy Hassan, how are you doing? Brian FX, what's up? Guys, good to have you all. Good to have you. Chanat, Talia. Guys, tell me, have you looked at your charts today? Are you moving the market? Martin Hernandez, what's up? Give it to me, ginger. Give it to me while I lean back. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We are here to move the markets because if it's not us, then who? It's a lifestyle. I know they think it's my lifestyle. Yeah. Oh, it's my lifestyle. Yeah. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. I know they think guys, I'm okay. I spent my day well. It's a beautiful week. Let me hope, guys, you're ready. Taking your trading goals seriously. Yeah, let us get another move. This is binary options trading. And you see my lifestyle, I got Jesus. This binary options trading and my strategy simple, pure price action. So every execution I'm doing right now, guys, it's about that. I say she wanna fix and chill. So I chatty give her money. If you fall in love, Kelly. Thank you. I look gorgeous. Thank you. I'm not faking this, not fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet. I just want the happiness. If I broke from my business, I'ma show you you like. All I care for the night. If I broke from my business. Alright, you're already having a candle closing in our direction. Why your papa wanna jealous me? If you want to take up serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I be done with somebody that could do like me. When I be like Musana coming up the right wing, I cut to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a house finesse. And you know, send me a muscle. I will carry go. If me I got money past you, if you're not careful, finesse, you send me a must I will carry go. If me I got money past you, if you're not careful, finesse. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you go buy to. All I care for the night. If I
Chloe, good to see ya. The guy, what's up? What's up? It's a money day. Of course, we have to get that back. That's why we show up every day. Guys, tell me, do you have any trader that had a successful trading session? Tell me, how is your day? Any traders that had a good trading day? It's a fresh day, guys. Let us look for more moves. Let us look for more moves as you're telling me.
Feel the band over with bags, get a little bro them a job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it
And you're free to ask any trading question. Oh my god, that's crazy.
All the members make free bands, I pack them like they cracking cards. Juno for a fact, I keep it real, you still ain't take the chart. Why she talking crazy about me like I'm do more than my part? I can't play with my creation, the word of my boss. I've been saving more than I.
You're natural at your trading. What do you mean? You don't find it hard to trade these days? That's what you're trying to mean?
I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me.
Oh my god, another cell invalidated. Damn.
I try cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip.
Let us watch out for another clean move.
When it's chillin' that way, help me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double jar.
The broker I'm using, guys, is Pocket Options. There's a link in the description for it.
But they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still check.
Home got $100,000,000.
I can't chill yet, but don't get it misconstrued yet. I get real check.
Okay, it's like buyers want to come back in this market. Let us watch out and see if they're really gonna shift. Yeah, this is a trading assembly, guys. If you have just joined, mark your attendance where you're watching me from.
I can't be for none of you niggas not in the same boat. You never gonna get caught up about to know how the game goes. 10 chain bustin' look like rainbows.
I'm like,
come and put that pussy on me.
Don't be running from me. If I like it, I'll spend money on it. Get whatever from me.
Put these niggas in your business. I do real shit. I try cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed. When it's chillin' that way, help me down. She a real bitch.
I've been registering 8 out of 10 trades daily. That's really nice. That's really nice. So if you are able to do that, that means there is a level of consistency in your trading. Keep it up. Keep it up. That's good. That's good. Axel Vibe, good to see you. My Amber. What's up? What's up? Good to see you guys.
I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that I live with me.
This is nice.
Ain't no tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan. God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. Yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't.
Yeah, it is moving in a corrective way, but regardless, we can still get entries. All we are doing is to wait for a good opportunity, then we execute. The beauty about trading, that even when you're patient, you can still get an entry. It's not like you have to execute because the market is leaving you. Even when you patiently wait for a move, you can still get a good one rather than chasing the market over fake entries that most likely they are not going to go in your direction.
Hey, hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashes to the party. And you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03.
I'm using all the indicators with the default setting, guys. Blake, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Let us increase our risk, guys. Our account has grown. That is the best risk management tool that I use. I start risking small. As my account grows, I also increase the risk so that I'm not putting a lot of pressure on my account. That's how we'll be moving here.
Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and wish and wish and wish and wish on me. Yeah. Bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish and wish and wish and wish and they wish on me.
We try to trade price action, but not bad. That's nice. I can see, guys, whatever we are learning on the stream, you're putting it into practice, and that's how you develop your trading skill, guys. You have to be everything you learn. You make sure you try to practice it on your charts. You try to look out for those things. That's how your skill grows. Put her inside the beanbag.
So why would she be beater? She ordered a good man, but she got a bad man. She not feeling without social media. Stalking me with a Instagram.
I'm using the indicators, guys, with the default settings. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. Guys, it's a Monday. Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? If you did, how did it go for you? Bro, that's up. What's up? Good to have you. And this is a trading ourselves. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Next thing she wanted me to eat it is impromptu. She's still coming through. She also gives emotional support. These girls don't know what they want. Sometimes they want help, also want to do short time. You can't love me, you just they waste your time. Anybody got time for that kind of? As you can see, give me plan B. But plan C is not for me. Check carefully, rationally. No try put me for trouble, yeah. She asked me, boy, what are we?
Better we what you wanna bring. Let's see if you can get another move. Guys, we're adding buys here because we aren't expecting the market to go up. So I'd already taken out the most recent low in terms of market structure. So let's see how it goes. Ooh, this is already moving well, guys. Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
I dey play home and away, and I dey give them JJ. They dribble JJ, and I dey bring my JJ, cause I dey give them JJ. Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossing over on all night.
Guys, the market is moving upward. It's the structure has shifted. So let us keep buying. You know how we do it with price action. If you are in a bullish market, you execute buys because why not? Oh my god, seems like these are invalidated. Let us look forward to getting another move.
I can leave it alone.
I'm using the indicators with the default settings, guys, for all those that are asking.
Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want that. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on that.
And guys, like I always tell you, whenever you're in the market, you make sure you're looking at the most recent price action. That is the most recent highs and lows, because they are going to be guiding you on where the market could possibly be going to head. Yeah, because when you look at those, the most recent market structure, it is where the market is most likely to go, either to take up the high or the low. It all depends on which direction the market is moving to.
Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Bossa Nova on all time. It's like the type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come stop right in.
Traders in the building, market at 10. And so are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from, guys? And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple, pure price action.
Whatever the type of talk it is, come on back. I gotta know you meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me.
You guys are crazy. Alright, I see you, Teacher Lee. I see you, Peter. Mark is from the capital city of Africa. Which one is that? I love your consistency. That's how it should be. I mean, trading is a skill that you build, so the more consistent you are, the better you refine it. Excuse me.
Talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, talk to me.
Sellers are onto something here, guys. You look thank you, David. As always, yeah, we have to show up in the markets when we are starting. I go away.
In a 10 years, he go there. And only you feel like my fire. Girl, won't you be mine? Where you there? She a fit see you today. In your body, feel cut in my wire.
How do you identify or find your break of structure before making a trade? Guys, I do not only execute trades based on break of structure, but to understand that, to give you understanding of the break of structure, it means that if you are in a downtrend, the market is going to break structure to the downside, and that basically means the market is taking out the most recent low that was created and creating a new low. So after a break of structure to the downside, you start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. That means a pullback is going to give you buying opportunities. But in that case, I do not just execute buys because the market has immediately broke structure to the downside. I'm going to wait for the market to give me a bullish entry reason to take that the buys. For example, I'm gonna see a candlestick pattern that is bullish. I'm going to see basically I'm going to wait for candlestick patterns that are bullish and they are showing momentum, and it would be nice if I see, for example, two green candles that are closing above the bearish move and they are strong enough to confirm a pullback. By strong enough, I mean they are big. We all know big candles, they represent momentum. They show some strength from the party. Yeah, so basically that's the understanding of break of structure and how you can use it when you are trading. That is sweeter than coffee. And guys, when it comes to break, oh my god, sellers did us dirty here, guys. Let us look for another move. And guys, when it comes to break of structure, you have to consider valid break of structure with a candle closing above the area. You're not just closing with a wick. We all know candle wicks are these shadows above and below the candles. I mean, the candle body is closing above that area. That is a valid candlestick. That is a valid break of structure.
I'm the definition of a bandit. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly,
let me hope you guys have got it. Let me hope, Glenn, you have got the understanding of break of structure.
Tommy in the fucking Tommy Hill figure. Tommy hit a nigga, Tommy Hill figure fuck nigga. I'm nice when I'm high off the pills, I'ma fuck with her. I don't smoke skunk, but tonight I'm getting stuck, nigga. Hold the codeine up and put some Molly in the cup with her. I know she a freak, she gon' fuck with it. She my Velcro, cause I'm stuck with her. Dive in it like a sailor, I love the nail her. Addicted to her paraphernalia, I had to tell her. I see it like a fortune teller. Yo ex nigga did good, I could do better. Bad bitch from the woods, I think she a hunter. She a killer in the eater, she a Jeffrey.
Guys, let us first switch up here and see how oil is moving.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch stole.
I want to get more clear picture of the charts. So let's see how it's moving. Then we start executing. Guys, whenever you are in the market and you feel like the pair is not moving to the best way you really anticipate the market to move, you can always switch to another pair. It's not like you're supposed to be locked in on one single asset. Sometimes the asset you could find it's not really giving you the vibe that you want from the market.
Some new killers in my circle you done ran with. Like this 30-38, this bitch a damage. Poppin' with it, okay, Trey call when you land with it. I let you drive inside my bros where they been land with it. I wrote this bitch, I open up a can with it.
This is really moving so far so well, so let's buy it. Let's buy the oil.
When I'm on that Molly, I feel savage. She the definition of a bad bitch stole. I'm the definition of a savage. I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I feel savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch stole her heart. I'm the definition of a bandit.
That girl says she on Netflix and she.
Далеко за 12, время оторваться. Далеко за 12, главное не оторваться. Далеко за 12 часов, ты с нами здесь не надо слов. Уже давно ты без каблуков, руки и воздух вновь и вновь. Ночь сорвалась с цепи, круг тебя манят огни.
Yeah, guys, price action, it can really be applied on all time frames and in all markets. That's the other reason why I prefer trading with price action. I'm seeing markets saying they back it up. They combine price action with SMC. That's nice. That's nice. As long as you understand the concepts of the strategy, that's how it should be. Yes, guys, in my strategy, I try not to complicate things. So my strategy has a few confluences in it. That is understanding the market direction, understanding the market structure and candlestick patterns. Oh my god. Hey.
Зажимают тиски, кто не с нами, тот теплее одет. Да нужно темпом в зал разогреть. Наша тусовка в самый цвет. Что скажешь? Базара нет.
This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question because why not? We are always here to learn and move the markets together. If you're not moving the markets, I don't know what you're doing. Justine, good to see ya. Let us get another move, guys. Someone comment locked in. I want to know how many guys are locked in so that when I'm explaining an entry, you can easily catch on.
She know I know man for no problem, no.
If I tell her she
If I tell her you, she could say no. If I tell her better, she could say
no matter the money.
Baby, nothing give a pussy to nobody.
To nobody, to nobody.
To nobody, to nobody. To nobody.
No matter the money, my baby nothing give a pussy
To nobody. To nobody. To nobody. To nobody. To nobody. To nobody. She never give it to nobody.
Some of these bitches are loyal. These bitches,
I know my bitch is loyal.
Guys, the market is trending upwards. You can see the structure is very clear. It is continuously breaking the highs and maintaining the lows. So whenever you are in an uptrend, a break of structure happens to the top side of the market, and that basically means the market taking out the most recent high, and immediately takes out the most recent high, you anticipate a pullback. And for an uptrend, the pullback is bearish. That means the market gives you an opportunity to sell. So basically that is how we be moving, and this is a continuation entry. We are continuing with the trend because why not? And guys, in this case, you always capitalize on the moves. If you get an opportunity, capitalize, because no risk, no Ferrari. And we have really got some good moves here. Oh my god, this is really trending so well, giving us very clear market structure. Honestly, such markets are really interesting to trade, that are so clear with structure compared to sideway markets. Sideway markets are so crazy and very risky. They are not actually beginner friendly. Honestly, sideway markets are not beginner friendly. Risk management is so solid here today. I mean, it has always been solid, because from just looking out to get profit, you should also be protecting your capital. If you have no capital, you cannot trade. That's why risk management is solid, and we are not playing with it.
Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face, having my way, having. She let me nut on the face. Stay in your place, shut up and stay out the way. Decided what I'm gonna do today. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. I wanna look at the stars today, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. Thinking about copping that down today. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. I'ma go ride the rave. I'ma go ride like I'm from the bay. You better watch it, babe. Better up doing what Simon say. They mad cause I got the rave. Only they look at my license plate. They look at my jewelry when I hop out. I'm singing Amazing Grace. The feast we eat before we jump in, my nigga, we gotta say grace. My grandmama gone, but can't be replaced. Jenna, she paved the way. I'm turning the page on niggas. I waited days, remember.
Let's move. Guys, traders in the building, comment a strategy that you really use when you're trading. I want to know how many traders use price action as their strategy. So any serious trader, comment your trading strategy. Guys, in my trading career, I've really used different strategies, but price action is so easier for me, and I really don't find that strategy complicated. For me, it was easier for me to really execute with it. So traders in the building, comment your trading strategies. We know them. I know there are quite many. There are very many strategies. But the beauty about it, if you know price action, most of the strategies are backed up with price action, because with price action we are just looking at the current market prices, and we based on that to execute our entries.
No flat, but the ice on fleek. Working out with the bag and receipt. No clout off when I speak. White break with the red and black seats. Pulling up like a falcon with me. She gon' fame, but she see the double R. She find out Casper with me. Bad bitch.
Hey.
Small waist, pretty face. Having my way, having. She let me nut on the face.
This is really moving in my direction, guys, and such entries really excite me. No lie, such entries excite me.
I wanna look at the stars today, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. Thinking about copping that down today. I'ma go ride the rave, ghost. I'ma go ride the rave. Take up.
Love yours. love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
What do you always look out for when you're considering price action? Guys, with price action, it is understanding the direction, market direction, or market conditions. That is, are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Because when you know the market you're dealing with, you're going to execute with ease. For example, if I'm in an uptrend and I don't look forward to taking pullback entries, I'm only going to be executing bullish entries. When I'm in a downtrend and I don't look forward to taking pullback entries or reversal entries, I'm going to be looking forward to only executing sales, and by that, you're going to wait for the market to get into the pullback, then offer you a bearish confirmation signal that the market is continuing in the bearish direction, then you continue with it. The other thing I look out for is understanding market structure and candlestick patterns. Basically, those are the confluences I'm always looking out for. And guys, you do not just look out for such at the beginning of your trading session. From the time you sit in front of your trading setup to the last minute you close, that is the mindset you should always have, because in between there, if you're trading for about 3 hours or more or less, the market could just keep on changing structure here and there, so you have to be locked in. You have to be locked in the entire time. You just understanding market structure, and whenever you're trading and your new execution time frame, make sure you're really looking at the most recent structure, because most of the time market is heading in that direction, either running away from the structure, creating new, but it is everything is concerning rotating around that structure.
Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours, but you ain't ever gonna be happy till you love yours.
That's better than yours. That's better than yours. No such thing.
Heart beating fast, let a nigga know
That
that he alive.
alive.
Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
You know I can sing. Shorty a little body, shorty my little old thing, and shorty got the shiny. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with her around, I nutted on the covers, and I kicked it on the cover, cause I'm kissing too. Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
Hey, mama
I
nasty.
see the pussy through the panties.
Hey.
She tastes like candy. She a cool like Nefertiti.
Guys, let's move. We don't complicate things here. The key is to focus on your discipline and patience, guys.
I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need. From Chanel to Celine, and show you to the side. Valentino, yeah, I put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breasts. I ain't wanna give you a baby just yet, so I backed out and nutted on your breast. I put you in an Uber and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You pulled up to the crib and we did it again. Show your little body, show you my little old thing, and show you got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck with her around, I nutted on the covers, and I kicked it on the cover, cause I'm kissing too. You know I never found love until I looked into your eyes. First time blushing,
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. Yeah, you're free to ask any trading question because why not? We are here to learn. Ivan, good to see ya.
Honestly, I feel if I be at a thing, if there's something in your mind to tell me, and if I told you it's so mine, you tell me. You won't see the bigger picture, it's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'ma keep you looking like a dime. You know imperfections, girl, you fine. Baby, what's your sign? We win against the slow.
We are gonna keep selling because structure is valid for selling.
Through the storm, baby, we can make it through. Why you acting brand new? You know you my little. Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin, it's hurting. She my biggest fan, she always learning.
She's already in.
She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. I know she can't stand me, I'm fancy.
Oh my god, we are taken out by a pullback. It's not so deep, but let us look for another move.
She my little pool thing. And Shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I nutted on her covers. And I kept it on the cover, cause I don't kiss and tell.
How do you manage psychology? Guys, to be honest, when I was starting out to trade, it was actually when I was starting out to trade my first ever live account. I really didn't fear trading. We all know you just be excited, that's the truth. And I can say when I was starting out, I really made some profits from I would say my first 3 weeks, it was really okay. But there is that day you're going to be, because actually beginners tend to make profits because you're just following everything that you've been learning and you're following. But the more you get into trading and you see some profits, you get greedy. We all know everything that comes with trading. So in the beginning it was really hard. It really took me some time actually, because I had reached a point. There's a point in my trading journey where I would fear to execute. My psychology was so messed up that I would actually be having the right setup. Everything is checking my confluences, but still I would be scared of trading because of losses. I know you've all been there. Yeah, but it just gets better with time. Me myself being consistent really helped me so much to get over the fear of execution. Yeah, because you could take losses today. I'm talking about crazy losses where your account is wiped out, that you feel you're emotionally attached. But if you are able to show up the next day without taking any breaks in between there, it just keeps on getting better compared to when you take crazy losses and you take about a month or 2 weeks without being in the market. It's totally different. By the time you come back to the market, it's going to be so scary, because that is my own experience. So being consistent amidst everything, it helped me so much with my psychology. So that's why we have to show up every day, not to lose our edge. How do I decide on the assets? Guys, I honestly pick up a moving pair. I pick a moving pair, but when it comes to assets, you can also have you can include it in your trading plan to have a few assets that you're looking at, about five. Yeah, five I think can be okay. But me personally, I'm not limited. I always check out the pair that is moving. I'm trading with price action strategy, which can be applied on all pairs and all markets. Just we are understanding the market direction, understanding structure, and candlestick patterns, which can purely be traded on all pairs and all charts. No hidden feelings attached to it. When I'm picking the assets, guys, I just look for a pair that is moving and respects my strategy.
I was at work so late, no. It wasn't my fault, I'm we're out chasing a rainbow. I'm back outside, I'm I was at work so late, no. It wasn't my fault, I'm you're out chasing a rainbow.
My candles, guys, are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I use the Keltina channel by looking at the breakout either to the top side or to the downside. And when we get a breakout to the downside, I start anticipating sellers in the market. But with price action as my strategy, I wait for a confirmation with that also. And by that I mean looking at if structure had really shifted bullish, bearish rather, or if the structure or if the market has given me a candlestick pattern that is showing strength from sellers. Basically, that's how I be trading, both with the indicators and price action strategy. Abdullah, good to see ya. Dimes, good to see ya. I'm Rami, good to see you. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all, guys. Chloe, good to see you all, guys. You guys are crazy. This is a trading assembly. You have to ask any trading question, guys. They are favorable for me. Mark is asking, what made you prefer different time frames?
Rock with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang.
Guys, whenever you're doing market analysis in your trading and you're really analyzing the markets, you're supposed to pick also time frames that you're sure they are favorable with your personal trading and lifestyle. At the same time, you have to also consider, I know there are some guys that find it so hard to execute entries like on a 1 minute chart. So anything that is working for you, it is what you should stick with and be consistent with it. Myself, these are the setups I prefer using. My candles being 5 seconds and my expiration time being this, because it is what I'm used to and I prefer it this way. Nothing special hidden, it is just put in my trading style. Oh my my god, that's some crazy move there. Hit that dance floor, hit that dance floor, I got you, baby.
Just you and me.
Have fun tonight. As I can feel it. We are locked in for life, locked in for life. Someone comment locked in for life. As long as the markets are still moving, we are locked in for life. I confirm my entries when everything has checked off my trading confluences. That is, if I understand the market I'm dealing with, the market direction, if I understand market structure, and I am seeing my entry where I want to take my entry from is in a key area. I also check with the candlestick pattern. We all know candlestick patterns. They are going to show you if the market is getting into a pullback. Is it switching back to a continuation? We all know there are very many candlestick patterns that show that. For example, in my trading, I consider looking at pin bars in key areas, engulfing candlestick patterns in key areas, inside bars in key areas. That's it. That's what is always in my mind whenever I'm looking at the charts. As long as the markets are here, we are locked in for life. So let's move. All those that are locked in, let's move. Roll. Guys, our queue for the donations is ready. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready. Because in a few we are gonna get into that. And I thought, oh my god, look at that face. You look like my next mistake. Love's a game, wanna play. No money, suit and tie. I can read you like a magazine. And it's funny, rumors lie. And I know you've heard about me. So hey, let's be friends. I'm dying to see how this one ends. Grab your passport and my hand. I can make the bad guys good for a weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over, if the high was worth the pain. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. 'Cause you know I love the players, and you love the game. 'Cause we're young and we're reckless, we'll take this way too far. It'll leave you breathless, or with a nasty scar. Got a long list of ex-lovers, they'll tell you I'm insane. But I've got a blank space, baby. And I'll write your name. Locked in love. Not you guys. We are, I don't know if you're locked in love. For us, we are locked in what? We are locked in for the chance. You guys are crazy. Be that girl for a month, but the worst is yet to come. Oh no, screaming, crying, perfect storms. I can make all the tables turn. Rose garden filled with thorns. Keep you second guessing like, oh my god, who is she? Guys, you know how we do. We let us first secure our profit for tonight, then we get into the donations. We're gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. And if you want to be part of the donations tonight, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Okay. It'll leave you breathless. I got a blank space, baby. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready and wish luck to our participants. We are getting ready for our first one. Freddy. Don't say I didn't warn you. We are waiting for an entry. You know how we do it. You're supposed to trade when everything makes sense. It's not all about executing. It's all about executing when everything has checked your confluence and your strategy. And I'll write your name. Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money. First attempt is locked in, and the only attempt for tonight. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant. Just wanted one attempt, and we got it. Honestly. Let me see, type congratulations to Freddie Wells, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Honestly. Don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch breaking this hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they trying to be. Look, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake. He wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent and the new whip. When I go back as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby father wanna bill. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way. You can't Need, good to see ya, good to see you. Alain Vickley. I put my head above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, he dip. I say, I'll get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch play her role. I just a rope and no rolls. I just came up in no rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these thanks, Teacher Lee. I see all of you guys. My strategy is simple, guys. It is pure price action. You know how we do it. Pure price action. Camvale, good to see you. I just wanna check the mail, another check from Mona. Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the score, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now, see, that means I don't fuck you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. Just started. Guys, trading, how it works, it's all about you being ready to be a trader, and being ready to be a trader means you should have a probabilistic mindset. You should have a probabilistic mindset at that. It is part of our game that losses are there. So as a trader, that should be your mindset. You first prepare yourself, and you know that if I'm becoming a trader, that is it. Then if you have such a mindset, the next thing is to lock in, understand a strategy, create a trading account, practice, show up every day. That's it. That's it. The key is to first accept the reality of trading. If you come a little closer. Traders, tell me where you're watching me from. Now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. All right, I see you, Ivan from Poland. Good to see you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I usually love sleeping alone. This time around, bring a friend with you. But we ain't really gonna sleep at all. You ain't gonna catch me with them sneak pictures. In my city, I'm a young guy. That pussy kill beats.
Alright, guys, let us move on to our next. Let us move on to our next. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. I say often.
That's how many times she wrote the wave, not so often. Just down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that
Great, good to see ya. Good to see you.
Infatuated by the things that it is. She wanna ride inside the G-Class, gray matted. I come around, she leave that nigga like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a whole hour.
I am trading binary options, and this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. You know how we be moving every night. We are here to learn and also catch up the good vibes. Any traders that are really had a good trading day. Guys, when I was starting out to trade, honestly, Mondays would freak me out because then I would never be trading weekends. So I would imagine you were trading Friday, and maybe Friday didn't even close well, then you have to start again on Monday. So sometimes I would be so scared. It's natural for a trader to freak out. It is very natural, especially if you're still a beginner. I remember those moments, they were so crazy. Then I reached a point when I had locked in my whole Sundays would be for back testing my strategy, checking out my trading plan. That was the deal for the time. Yeah, but the more you grow in trading, everything actually, because someone was asking about psychology, the more you grow and you're consistent in trading, actually, the better it gets. That's one thing I can say about trading. Yeah, it just gets better. But those first years of my trading, they were crazy. I would be so scared. Huh? Especially there's a season when you reach in your trading when it's like I've actually already seen guys asking me why is it every time I execute my trade the market goes against you. It's like it's coming against you. At some point you start thinking that there are market makers out there coming for you, but there are no market makers coming for your small account, guys. It is just you who needs to lock in. It is you who needs to lock in, and it gets better with time.
Yo, you know enough for day after you. Brother, greet me. Where I'm from, we greet well. Brother, not be your hands again with this. Dog, you know enough for day after you.
Alright, guys, let us move on to our next participant. Someone comment ready for our next.
Plus the yellow girl. Now my own too.
Yeah, we are ready. Oh my god, guys, don't spam comments. Don't spam comment, it's not nice. Don't spam comment. You just need to comment. I'll see your comment and I'll get back to you. My strategy is simple, it's price action, and it's what we're doing right now. We're executing with that.
Big ways, 5 days, 10 days. I don't do it for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want the phone? Yeah. No case. I no go talk.
Fast entries in.
For you, my charge. Take me everywhere you want to go. Tell me everything I want to know. No lies. No lie. Yeah.
Oh, that was really coming closer. But it has worked out. Let us get another entry.
No doubt. But you say,
I'm getting money, big money, so it's fun.
risky, body risky.
Guys, we're looking in for our next attempt.
I'm getting money.
My strategy is simple, pure price action. Just understanding market direction, understanding market structure, and candlestick patterns. They're the ones that I use to refine my entries.
Yeah, been a very long time. Yeah, still a wait for your wine. Body curve up your clean and cute, so your nipple them blow my mind. Me we give your money anywhere, anytime. People up your body, let me see your waistline. Yeah, you know you need me and your body risky. I grade that whiskey tonight. Just know you love me, that's why. Just a clean and dry this time. Me give you the world, baby. Me say you are my bone if I hear. Can't get up your style. Ready for you to bring the child.
Do you prefer up or down trend? I just prefer the market to be moving, guys. But I would say I prefer trendy markets to sideway markets, and I don't think there is any trader that likes sideway markets. Honestly. I know we all go for trendy markets because they are easier to trade, and chances of you really getting the entries there are high compared to sideway markets. Sideway markets are crazy, so crazy. Guys, I remember. Anyways, let us look in. That will be a story for another day when it comes to sideway markets. But I will surely tell. I will surely tell you. Let us look in and get another attempt.
Big small stuff.
But guys, just because I prefer trendy markets, that doesn't mean that that doesn't mean that you cannot trade a sideways market, because sometimes the market is really not trending and you have to show up. But when it comes to sideways markets, you have to understand the zones that the market is bouncing within. Then you just sell high and buy low. Oh my God. That's it.
Baby, yeah.
All right. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations and thanks. Yeah. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant, because why not? I am using the indicator with the default settings. I do not only base my entries on the indicator, guys. I use them. I use the indicator with my price action strategy.
Go on the flow like a dough man. Baby, you know what to throw that. I said,
you remind me of something. I don't know what it is. You remind me of something. You gotta show me. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. You remind me of something. You gotta show me. Let me know what it is. On the real K-Line, nigga, just my type. Guys, like I was telling you about sideways markets, there's a time I was trading. That time I was still a forex trader in my beginning years of trading. I was, I think, on Euro, Australian dollar, I think. Jeez, it was a crazy move. It was really so crazy. I mean, you would execute your buys, then the market sells massively against you. So actually, I think it took me about 3 minutes to lose all my capital. It reached a point when I was buying and selling at the same time. It was so hectic, it was so crazy, but it was a lesson learned. Actually, from that time, I think I had stopped trading sideways markets, and I was like, you know what, I'm still a beginner. I accepted my fate. I will just focus on first understanding trendy markets, then I leave sideways markets for pros. But I do remember the moments very well. It was very early in the morning when I lost my account. Yeah, I lost my account in like 3 minutes, and it really pained me, because when I was really starting out to trade, I was really struggling so much with capital. It's not like I really had a chunk of capital locked in somewhere. So blowing an account in that time, it was crazy for me. But it's all part of the game. It's all part of the game. That's the beauty about locking in, because now such stories you can tell them and you're glad that you really locked in and stayed in a game. So guys, I don't know, have you had that experience also?
Fantasies, dreams, reality, anything.
Where you're in the market and the sideways market really is crazy, goes crazy against you.
The possibilities are endless. The sky is the limit. It could all be yours for a small fee. of 59.
Best to learn discipline and wait for the market that moves. That's it. And especially if you're just a beginner and you really not understand the thing, it is always best to wait for a moving pair. Actually, what I would do in that time, I would just either switch a pair. Actually, even now, if I find
Get
that
ready
I'm
for
on
the
a certain pair and it is really not moving in ways that I'm understanding, believe me, I am going to shift to another pair. Or you give yourself some time, you wait for the pair to move. Anyway, anything that works best for you, because being in a sideways market, guys, it's crazy. But that doesn't mean it can't be traded. You can still trade a sideways market. No, it can really frustrate. It happens most of the time. Yeah, actually. Sometimes markets are not really trending and you really have to show up.
Falling down by the wayside, girl, I've been falling, my love. Even a man them calling me, oh, it's fine. Seeing how you're warning, you know they give me warnings.
Right. Who is ready for our next participant? Just one attempt to go.
Give me one time, baby girl. Give me one time, make a rewind, all up to your time, don't play no games. No waving, no white flag for you, don't play no.
We are already in now.
Cause you know so you're falling for you,
Oh my god, I don't like what I'm seeing right now. Damn. Oh my god, that's so crazy. But you know how we do it. If I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us do that.
Lockdown, me love lockdown. Looking for you before the sun come down. You got me, looking like a fool. I fell in love with a player. I was chasing her, but she was chasing the paper. Nah. You got a bad man falling, going through hoops like Jordan. Give me one time, baby girl. Give me one time, make a rewind, all up to your time, no time.
Let us get another attempt.
Waving no white flag for you, don't play no games. Cause you know so you're falling for you, know I'm calling.
You don't wanna answer me, baby, I've been calling.
You don't wanna answer me, yeah, baby, I've been calling.
Alright, this is already moving in our direction. I like what I'm seeing.
Are you gonna pick up the phone?
Let me see you type congratulations to Pacoriel. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant, guys. One attempt is locked in. You don't wanna answer me, baby, I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me,
yeah, baby, I've been calling.
you don't wanna answer me.
All day I've been calling. You don't wanna answer me.
Oh my god. Guys, let me see type more congratulations to our participant. You guys are crazy.
Special about the feeling one more feel when you're indexing to me. Put it in our region. Used to if you feel like one is uneven. Wetter than the rainy season. Easy up a slide, come full of secretion.
Remember when we take your virginity, first night at the ramping shop. You bought out when we force it in, as the ramping started stop. You still feel like a virgin, and you know we sit down back top. You still bad when we force it in. Baby, remember the first fuck. Remember first time pussy hurt up. Push in a inch, it bug and it stuck.
We are on to our next.
No
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, and guys, structure is bullish. And when it comes to trading with price action, we all know market structure is key. And whenever you're on your execution time frame, always look at the most recent structure. Understand that whereas the market just broke structure, it's going to be easier for you. It's gonna be easier for you to execute. That's the mindset you should always have. That's what trading is all about. Always looking at the market with a trading eye. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Let's see how these sales go. Yeah, still anticipating the market to go down. Just one attempt to go. Yeah, someone comment locked in. So that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. And this is the trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We're always here to learn and catch up as traders. Yeah. Actually, guys, when I was still learning out, I'm talking about that years when I was still crazy about learning. Even just being on someone's stream and just watching what they do, you can really add something to your trading strategy. As long as you practice whatever you learn, that's how you move.
Nothing to discuss, cause I take you by the fault and down, me, I be a dog, I'm not gonna feed the dog, I'm not gonna feed the dog, it's up to my mind is you dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm drunk, she want to live my love, oh, I don't hold it, and I don't let them go, like
Tisha Lee is locked in. Paul, you're locked in. Mr. Vibe, you're locked in. Wow. Jerome, good to see ya. Papito, good to see ya. My strategy is simple, guys. Pure price action. We don't complicate things here. We don't keep things complicated here. We keep it simple and focus on being consistent, patient, and market discipline, because it's key when you're trading. Remember, everybody gonna do weekend. Let me see, type congratulations. 2 attempts are locked in. Patience has finally paid off. Yeah, guys, whenever you're trading, it's key
Whatever you want to do, no matter.
It's key to always question the weight for your entries that are in line with your strategy.
My youth, nobody can do me like I do. But that's the truth. So I do it to myself sometime and put it on mute. It better than if me figure you bun. But from your command, me no come, then me no do. You make me grab a bullet and me no have a gun. I feel bring a guy for me have my fun. Just push it deep anytime you want that. Two stroke you get and you want stop. But you're not easy, you're full of beer cap. Me, I gotta tell everybody, say your thing flop. In the DM, you did that promise me the most. Say I go do this and take me out of me clothes. It's a lucky thing me did that travel with me most. Hey boy, I'm out for this under me nose. Relax my mind.
Let us move on to our next.
Don't take no time for me, no claimants. All I need is like a saliva. I can please myself. We don't need nobody else. I can please myself. I don't need nobody else.
Put a little pressure on me and so you're bragging. Put your pen on back as no me darling. I'm fucking at the night, feel like fucking at the morning. You know, so you talk but you're on it. Secret. Who you fit tell, say you get wet. Your pussy on me and I feel right. Your man have no say get wet. She will cry with me, go anywhere far with me. This a girl I love you rough when she calls for me. And if you fall for me, probably your body.
Move on to our next.
So you talk to me. You say you're watching, you can make it so hard for left. If it up free and you make me feel so girl, but bitch, you know she not talking. Anytime she get money, you know she want it. Girl, your skin so smooth. What's that done game? Push it and me shift it now you know.
Look right yes up, spread it right yes up, turn it back way, skin it out yes up, put your tongue right yes up, bite it right yes up.
This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, our strategy is simple. It's price action. So let us watch out for our next move.
Don't let your pussy wetter than a riverside. Your pussy happy when me cocky in a glide. Me know we bring out the white, no you never tight. Take you up the ride, your pussy let a
Everybody gather round. Everybody gather round. Down. Me ready for you, girl. No matter what me say, me ready for you. I just one phone call. Me ready for you, girl. And when you call me, me ready for you.
One attempt to go.
Me ready for you, girl. No matter what me say, me ready for you. I just one phone call. Me ready for you, girl. And when you call me, me ready. Yeah. Someday, my life I go get out.
I want to press this in real life. Yes. Preston, good to see ya. MD Ronnie, good to see ya. For what's up? Eduardo, what's up?
If you feel like you have me wrapped up around your little finger.
Yo.
And everybody feel as if I you lick me chip and I'm
Welcome to.
Think I you alone can love me and I'll be broken if you walk out. But anytime you decide to pack up your things and leave, don't come back. Don't come back.
Yes, guys, we are waiting for our next attempt. You're welcome. Just one attempt to go.
Every girl I'm on, say they want me back. Say them cut it to their eyes, never keep up. Every girl I'm on the phone, say them want me back. Then they tell me to my eyes.
Alright, it's like buyers wanna come in the market. Let us watch out. Alright, 2 attempts are locked in. Let me see type congratulations to Mira. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. Guys, that's why it takes when you're patient. That's what it takes when you're patient.
Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Me love it when you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. And I say, girl, you we never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Me love it when you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. You a burn up. And so make us so then they kitty them pretty, so they dog them a bark. Love it when you whine or you walk and attack. So when you take body like a rocket, it a spark. It's a hit when the girl them top sharp. Hey, white, black, brown, slim or brown, me not care. No matter the time of day, they fi get slay anywhere. Me not rich, but if a silent man a millionaire. Girl, if you have a time, they bring it in here. Me get, hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Me love it the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. And I say, girl, you me never ever heard of. Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Me love it the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl.
On to our next. Just one attempt to go.
I'm looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without even falling low. Gotta be compatible. Takes me to my limits. Girl, when I break you off. Get on in your morning. Let's do it. Ride it. Hot on it. My saddle's waiting. Coming. Jump on it. In your morning. Let's do it. Ride it. Hot on it. My saddle's waiting. Coming. Jump on it. On it. Let's do it. Ride it. Hot on it. My saddle's
The strategy I'm using is Pocket. Sorry, it is pure price action, and the platform I'm using is Pocket Options. There's a link in the description for it. Guys, I don't like candlelight dinners. What if candles burn me? Oh my god, this is really going crazy against me. It's not funny. Damn. Let us refund and try again. Alright guys, let us get another attempt. Let's get another attempt. We're having a bullish pullback.
the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
All right, we already have a movement in our direction. Wow, this is beautiful. Let me see type congratulations to our participants. Let me see type congratulations.
Make you come first, could I never take a last, Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brand. Original girl, some of them are dinner calf.
And if you hear this on the go with the back, go with the knees, let me shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, I'm not watch my body like they don't watch.
Guys, don't spam comment. It's not nice. Don't spam comment. Congratulations to our participant, guys. Hey, let me see type congratulations, guys. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Say smart. Good to see ya. Good to see you.
I'm loving now, they do me slow. Baby, cause I don't need you already know. Got every head turning, I see the breath coming. So what you telling me now? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Who's popping?
Buyers are onto something. Let's see if we can get a mover.
Real talk, now real talk, they wanna know. Come on,
All right, first attempt is in. I understand the market, but I still don't know where to enter. What do you understand about the market? First, tell me what you understand about the market, then I see. Buyers are still moving the markets because why not? Let's see if we can get another attempt.
On everything, it's automatic, going zero to a high, right, wishing the wheels would fall off. Time is ticking, it's taking you too long. Right before I decide to go.
Guys, this is a bullish continuation trade. There you can see the market has been trading upwards. That's what we are still doing. All right, 2 attempts are enough. Let me see type congratulations to Bella. Let me see type congratulations to Bella. Give me motivation. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant.
Hold me around my waist. You can take it slow, baby. Control the pace. Where I rotate, baby, that's a little taste. Where I rotate, I'ma put you in your place. Bad girl, no delay. Baby, let's shake. I don't wanna stop, baby. I don't need a break. For the rotate, you know I don't wanna wait. We can go late, make our body celebrate. I just wanna back it up on beat. Say your name in key. I know what I want from you. You know what you want from me. I just wanna back it up on beat. Say your name in key. I've been waiting on it all week. So tell me where you wanted me to be. Yeah. Freeze. I jump where I like it. Can't deny it.
Guys, who's ready for our next? Who's ready for our next participant?
Back to back, we go night to night. Body dynamite. Take it to my body, we can't find it.
Baby, some money. You know, say you matching my steez. You know I'm a G. Shawty, I'm always keep it real.
On to our next, on to our next. Guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me. Yeah, you can also join my Telegram group. There's a link in the description. There's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join and be part of the community of traders, because why not? And also don't miss on any communication that I pass around.
No, before here with them on Jesus. Yeah, my country problem, it passes out. Because now we be our own problem. Yeah, now who could call easy, man? Well, ambassador with the job, and governor with the job, and president with the job, and the slave with the job. Some people go some.
You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome, Belna. You're welcome. Guys, let us look in for our second attempt. I mean, I guess so.
I pull up on the light, but I find a transition. Because my presence is a gift from God, and you're looking like a nigga. Ooh, like a circle. And I go handle them carefully. Yes, I knew you would have dressed for me. We should look out for you.
This really move fast in my direction. I love such entries. Showing up as always. Chloe, I see ya. Showing up for the trading assembly, and you know how we do it. You're always here sharing ideas as traders, and I'm also always here sharing my trading strategy and trading experience. So guys, make sure you lock in at the 8 p.m. UK time.
My love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I'm from more that's in take. Hey, we can do it on that beach there.
Let me see type congratulations to Elena, let me set up congratulations to Elena.
Somehow you got extra, forget me not. When it's sweet, you, what you say?
Let me set up congratulations. Okay, we move on to our final participant. Guys, today we are really moving so well. Let me see type more congrats to all our participants. Why not? The market is still trending upwards. Let's see if we can get another attempt. Let us see if we can get an attempt. Oh my god, this is already going in my direction. Someone comment to the moon, because that's where we are looking in our profit from. Hey. Yeah, guys, comment to the moon because that's where we are looking in from. Just one attempt to go.
Useke filter kwa viewants my dear, picha cheki mi staki kama sio clear, thick girls mi wa height na petit si mind pia, ama lakeside boy na jaruma sumesikia keuka epika unanembusha jesi namba mafrr mbanya stafanya mtake namba watabamba vikindo zibamba oditi dangerous kama mdomo ya mamba nina shumebeba kilo 41 ya maito.
Guys, look at these candles. Yeah, let me see type congratulations to Lachelle. Let me see type congratulations to our participants, and you know how I do it, everything goes to the participants account. That's how we've been moving every night. So if you want to be part of the contestants tomorrow, there's a donation link down in the description. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. And the platform I'm using is Pocket Options. There's a link down in the description. You can use that. We're always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So guys, mark your attendance as I'm sharing your strategy. Guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join, and you can also write to me via Telegram. There's a link down in the description, guys. We catch up same time tomorrow, 8 p.m. UK time. Good night. I love you all. Bye.
wapim super, amejitolea haga anaitupa, anaipoteza alafu anaiputa, anaichokoza alafu anaisuka, wapim super, anaijuggle, juggle, anaijuggle, juggle, anaijuggle, juggle, anaijuggle, juggle, anaijuggle, let it tumble.
Alright guys, same time tomorrow. Bye.